Hello everyone, it is your girl DFL Didn't for Life. Today we're gonna make some Haitian chicken barbecue, and then right here we're gonna see me, we are watching me like watching the same, right? I'm not good at English, this is not my first language. I'm Haitian, I speak Creole, but right away we're gonna like make some chicken in the Haitian way, okay? So we clean everything we are using, we're gonna clean everything, and then we're gonna clean that chicken as Haitian do it, all right? And then I told myself, let me make some video for you guys right now, and then I start cleaning up everything, cleaning up all the dirty part of this chicken. We in Haiti, we don't eat all that stuff in the chicken, okay? We cut them apart, and then we season our chicken with lemon, orange juice, vinegar, salt. So that's what how we do that, okay? So you can see all the stuff I take out of the chicken, and then I'm showing you guys that I used all the stuff I said. And we brought a hot water. This hot water is for a second cleaning for the chicken, okay? We put some salt on it, and then some lemon on it. Now I prepare my seasoning. We call it épices in Creole. Okay, I made some seasoning after passing this chicken in the hot water. So now we pass it in the seasoning, and we're gonna season this chicken in the Haitian way, baby girls. And I put some good stuff in the chicken. You know how to do it, okay? So now I put my chicken like for 15 minutes. I didn't put it for a long time. Now I made my sauce, barbecue sauce, and I used the spicy onion, and then the barbecue sauce, and then some hot chili sauce. And I put them together. After the 15 minutes of boiling the chicken, we take it out for making the barbecue stuff, everything. And then you are watching me here doing my stuff, baby girl. You know how to do it, you can do it, and that is just me relaxing myself. Don't bother with that. And then I'm gonna show you guys this book I just get from Amazon. I bought it. It's really helpful for you to growing up your YouTube channel. And right here I'm gonna put that chicken with some lasagna and some vegetable. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and don't forget to showing me some love by following my channel and leave a comment telling me how you marinate your chicken. Okay, have a good week everyone. Bye bye, bisous, some love.